Hello everyone, hope you all are in good health. Today we are proud to announce the launching of our new website. We started our venture in 2006 with a strong determination and willing to participate in the nation's growth. We had identified the power sector as the most demanding opportunity due to good economic growth in India. India is the world's third largest producer of electricity and the third largest consumer also. As per the records, almost 86% of the thermal power is obtained from coal, and there are majorly four segments like ash handling plant, coal handling plant, boiler and transmission in thermal power plants. We are proud to associate with India's top power generation unit like NTPC Limited, Reliance Power, Avantha Power and many more. We continuously strive to maximize the value we bring to our customers and business associates. Meanwhile, we have expanded our business in areas like water management and defense segment also. We believe these segments will provide opportunities for future sustainable growth. While we are optimistic, we take nothing for granted. We remain vigilant and focused on the key value drivers of our business. We stay committed to partnering for value creation and take this opportunity to thank all our invaluable customers, business associates, bankers for reposing their confidence in the company and providing their unstinted support. We take this opportunity to appreciate the contribution of our employees who have participated in our journey so far. Through their tireless effort, enthusiasm and dedication, we have reached this size and scale. With the collective efforts, we will continue to surpass the expectation of our customers and provide world-class products and services. Our team is working hard to make Globetech a strong brand in the field of our operations. Thank you.